What's going on YouTube? Dave back again, and in today's video we're going to discuss memberships. That's right, I am still working out some kinks on what exactly I want to do with memberships, but I definitely want to give back to you guys. Besides my videos and my gorgeous hair and my face, I wanted to give you guys back something in return for being kind enough to join the memberships. So what I have figured out, discussing it with the members that are already there, is for the first two tiers, which is Nub Lover, we will be giving away gift certificates to Galactic toys, and I may do Amazon gift cards too. I don't know, but I'm going to be doing small giveaways here and there, maybe some little tools to help you guys out. It's super cheap. It's $2 a month. For the second tier, which is $5, and that's buffed and polished, we're going to be doing like $50 gift cards every couple of months, maybe 3-4 months, something like that. And just to give back to you guys, maybe a kit here and there. I don't know. It depends on what I have in my backlog. I will give whoever is the winner a choice. And for the top tier, which I don't believe I'm ever going to go above, is the God tier.
God tier.
That's right, God tier. For that one, it's $9.99 a month, and I super appreciate that. That kind of gives you some special access. If you're in the God tier, I make myself more accessible to you, be it through just emails. You can send me emails, things like that, Messenger, or in some cases, for like the one that is a God tier, I actually give my personal number for texting questions, things like that. It's more of a personal thing. But for the God tier members that end up being there throughout the year, I'm actually going to give away whatever the following year's perfect grade is that's being released. Not to everybody, let's keep it straight. So whoever is in the God tier, will do a random drawing and someone will win whatever the perfect grade is, because they always release a perfect grade every year. I always end up hearing, but what if they don't? They may not. If not, then hell, you may get a couple Vercos, something about the equivalent of what a perfect grade would cost. Or if the person wants a perfect grade that has already been released, I'm more than happy to pick that up. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what I'm planning for the memberships. So I do plan on giving back. So the Nub Lovers will get gift cards, whether it be Amazon or to Galactic, every few months. Someone will be randomly drawn and get one of those. For buffed and polished, it'll be either a kit or it'll be something like a $50 gift card, something like that, to Galactic toys. And then for God tier, we will be doing a perfect grade giveaway, whether it be the brand new one that's being released every year around December, or whether it be a past one. I will leave that up to the winner on what they choose. I really want to thank you guys for hanging out with me and subscribing, just being there. Lots of benefits, lots of little things that I'm working on. I'm working on a couple small skits, things that people that are my members have actually given me ideas for, something to kind of liven up the channel, but also focusing on the build. Definitely stay tuned, because I have lots of little videos like how these guys end up going together. I think I'm going to break those up into little segments. That way, if you're having an issue with one single thing, you don't have to sit through a 20-30 minute video on that. Break that all down, get that all worked out. I want everyone to stay safe, stay sane, keep modeling, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.